celebrate your birthday?
Yes, sir. I celebrate my birthday with pomp and show every year.
Every year.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell us that how did you celebrate your birthday last year?
Yes, sir. I can tell you.
Tell me.
Sir, first of all, I got up early in the morning. Then I touched the feet of my parents. After that, I washed my face. After that, I did my all works. After some time, I said to my parents that I have to go to Mahakaleshwar because I didn't go before 4 years. So my parents said to me that okay, we will go. After that, we went to Mahakaleshwar, sir, and we worshipped the god and we offered the laddu to Mahakaleshwar, and sir, we went to Mahakal.
Okay,
And
so
sir, like this I celebrated my birthday.
you celebrated.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, do you know what is education?
Yes, sir. I know very well education.
So speak something about education system.
Yes, sir. Education is very important, and education system nowadays education system is business, sir.
It is a business. According to you, it is a business.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Many people use to education only business, sir.
Used to do in education only business.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you explain about business? What is
Yes, sir.
business?
Business, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
business.
sir. I can explain you, sir. First of all, we have to learn.
समझदार बालक, try to listen.
We have to learn how to do business, and we have to go who person success in business.
Person get success in his field.
His field. After that we can do business, and we can open shop like
Okay,
this.
yeah. So from tomorrow, I think you are going to leave this class. So when you will go to your home and you will not come. So will you miss this class or not?
Yes, sir. I was missing this class because, sir, I used to live here, sir, about 2 years.
For 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
You used to attend classes for 2 hours
Yes,
every
sir.
day.
I was sitting in the mat, and I was thinking that if I were in the class, so I am sitting on the bench, sir.
Yeah, actually it is a very good thing that we will be missing with each other,
Yes,
each other.
sir.
Okay, when I was purchasing gift for you, so that time I was thinking that I will give you gift and you will not come. Okay, but I avoided. Yeah, let it be. And they are my students. That's it. But I came from there and I went to purchase milk again.
Yes, sir.
And I was coming from there and I entered into my classroom. So I meet again and I started to cry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I started to cry that time. So I cried for at least 4-5 minutes. I thought that my all students will go from here and they will never back here. So
No, sir. I will be back.
yeah, okay. So everybody listen.
I will not forget you because
Yeah,
sir,
we
you
can
are my
never
teacher,
forget with each other.
Sir, you taught me
Yeah,
how to
I
speak
told
English.
you. Very good.
And I am speaking English with the help of you.
And actually you have to try to become a teacher in your life.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying that you have to start a business, you have to start a coaching classes, but at least you have to teach something or other to your colleagues, to your friends, to your relatives. Okay?
Yes.
Because I know that you have one brother,
Yes,
but
sir.
although your brother is not so intelligent like you, but you have to try to teach him.
Yeah.
Although he is on the very bad path right now, but some in future.
Sir,
He will, yeah.
in future I will teach you.
Yeah,
children.
Yeah, you
How
have
to
to
speak
teach.
English, sir.
You have to teach to your brother as well.
Yes, sir.
Right now, he is he is not on the good path, on the right path.
Sir, I teach to my
Yeah.
brother dad. Sir.
Although your brother will not listen right now, but in future when he will realize, so that time you will have to help him
Yes.
because he is your younger brother.
Before 4 days, sir, I said to my brother that I will get a gift. So at least you should do hard work.
Yeah. So gift, it means it is the result of your hard work.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying that it is only the cost of the gift is very small, but why I am giving you this one, and why I am taking your interview. It is just because that you did hard work. You have given me your precious time.
Yes.
You have given me your part of your life. Time is not. We can't give our time to anybody.
Sir, before 7 months, I was thinking that I will leave this coaching
Yeah.
because sir, I was not understanding how to speak English.
Yeah. So you know,
But sir, you used to say.
Yeah, I motivated you.
Yes, sir. You used to say me that English is a language, only
It is a
language.
language. Yeah.
So, sir, I was thinking that sir said to me that sir said to me that it is language. So, sir, I got power, sir.
yeah, you got motivated and you got
Yes, sir.
energy in your.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you
I
got
get
strength.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is good thing. We don't have to leave anything in our life. If you are getting some disturbance in your work, so try to think again, think again. At least twice, multiple times you have to think. You don't have to quit that work. छोड़ना नहीं है कोई भी काम. Not only English, any काम, कोई भी काम हो उसको थोड़ा सा सोचे, करते रहिए. We will get succeed.
Yes.
Okay. So also we are going to give him one present as well. So everybody, let's give him big hand. Yeah. So everybody please stand up and let's give him big one.